In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use mind map in ClickUp. This feature is a great way to visually organize your ideas, projects, and tasks, helping you see connections more clearly and manage your workflow with greater ease. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to create and navigate your own mind map, making your planning process far more intuitive. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace. This is your main dashboard, where all your spaces, folders, and lists are stored. Think of it as your central hub for everything you manage. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all your data without interruptions. Once you're inside, choose the appropriate team space. Each space typically represents a specific area of work, such as a department, project, or personal setup. Selecting the right space ensures that the information you're working with is relevant and organized in one place. After entering your chosen space, look toward the top section of your screen, where different view options are available. This is where you can switch between layouts like list, board, or calendar. Among these options, locate the mind map view. Depending on your setup, it might be visible right away or tucked into a drop-down menu. Take a moment to find it, then select it to continue. When the mind map view opens, you'll be presented with two choices. One allows you to start with a blank canvas, while the other builds a mind map based on your existing tasks. For this process, choose the option that uses your current tasks. This will automatically pull in your folders, lists, and tasks, turning them into a visual structure. You'll now see your workspace transformed into a branching diagram. Each list and task appears as a node, connected in a way that reflects your project hierarchy. To explore further, click on the small arrows next to each item. This will expand additional layers, including subtasks if they exist. Take some time to interact with the map and expand different sections. As you do this, you'll begin to notice how everything is connected. This makes it easier to understand relationships between tasks and identify dependencies that may not be obvious in a standard list view. If things appear cluttered or incomplete, you can always refine your lists and tasks. The mind map will update dynamically as you make changes, keeping everything in sync. This flexibility allows you to continuously improve your organization. With this setup, you now have a clear and visual way to manage your projects. It simplifies complex structures and helps you stay on top of your work with greater clarity. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.